guys, Scotty Hop here. We've been driving for about an hour and a half already. We're a little bit outside of DC. We're going with the Sunset Auto Club, driving on their Battlefield of Antietam drive, which should be tons of fun. It looks like there's a whole bunch of awesome cars coming out. Starting out at a restaurant, and surprisingly the restaurant opened up about an hour early to accommodate us. I'll see you guys there, and peace. All right, as you can tell, some cars are already showing up. Got a Z06, got my C6, and over there we got a Maserati Gran Turismo, and my buddy's MX-5. Check out the wrap on that thing. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. All right, let's get some food. Oh, look at that. There's that Gran Turismo. There's the MX-5. Said it was a club edition?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Club edition Brembo BBS pack.
BBS wheels. We got this beautiful 488.
There's a spot where we're gonna stop later on.
All right, we got the sticker on the vet. We're about to head out. Still cold out, so I had to put on the freaking cold hat. So here we go. Got the top off. We're ready to rock. We got our route card. Heading out any minute now. It's freaking cold out, but that's not stopping us. We're heading out, following a CTSV. Check this out.
Asphalt is cold, guys. Be careful on those compounds.
All right, we got comms, got the GPS up. It's time to cruise. C6 Corvette, Dodge Viper, CTSV. We are cruising. I think we're almost to the first stop. Can't wait. Freaking nice day out. Woo! We're back on the road. We're following 911. Has a 5-speed exhaust on it. Looks loud as hell. Sounds good though. See if we'll hit underneath the tunnel. There we go. Look at these views. We got views on views. Oh shit, what the fuck? Kia Stinger ran off the road, I think. I don't know what happened. Hopefully they're alright. That sucks. That was that 488 and the Kia Stinger on the side of the road. Listen to it. We are cruising with the top down because it's springtime now. Got the hat on, we got the heated seats, the heat is on. It's basically summertime just with the ridiculous hat on. I really hope that 488's all right with the Kia Stinger as well. That would suck if something happened. Maybe just something broke down or something. I didn't see any damage. Whoa, that backfire though. like. We're not hauling ass. We got some good exhaust tones, especially with that fast speed exhaust on that Porsche. Jeez, that sounds crazy. It's backfiring every time he lets off the throttle. Meow. Oh shit, pothole. Between the C7R and that 911 freaking turbo, that makes everything worth it. This drive is freaking awesome so far. Pulling up to another stop. Might have to get some gas on here. Man, that was fun. Made it to the stop. It's called Point of Rocks. Filling up with gas, snacks, and on to the next stop. That car's sick. That was pretty awesome, you guys. That was a good drive, and they said the roads only get better from here, so.
At this time, for some reason, there's a bunch of cars. At the same time, I started actually 1 hour later.
Look at that badass GT3.
I went there twice.
There's that 911 turbo we were following. Nice. Tell you what, following you made the whole weekend worth it right there.
Oh, you in the vet?
Yeah.
Oh, you like the sound?
Yeah, that was awesome. We didn't get a chance to see this, but this is a Ferrari GTC Lusso Turbo. He was way ahead of us, so we couldn't even see him driving, but we met up with him at the gas station. Pretty sick.
Is that yours?
Nah, I wish.
Right?
That is nice. That's a sick wrap. I love that.
Right now, on the 03,
There's that Viper we were following for a little bit. Audi Z06, he's got the de-icer on it too. There we go. Oh, that was so fun, man.
Here's a great deal.
Oh.
Those roads were the worst part.
Really? Those were nice, man.
They were the worst part. We're about to hit better.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. There's that GTC Lusso Turbo. That's what I'm talking about. And the NSX. Oh, gosh. Look, that guy's recording. He's like, what is going on? These are the roads I like. I think we're gonna go hit some back roads here soon. It's a little cold outside still, but it's all right because I got the hat on like I was saying, and I got the Pit Vipers on. Pit Viper gang, baby. All right, now we're cruising. Let's go. This looks like a nice back road. Oh shit. Here we go. Whoa. Following the CTSV. They changed up the order a little bit because some guys want to go faster than others. Like me, I'm not looking to get a speeding ticket. So if you want to go hauling ass, you can look at these views, you guys. This is why I like this. It's very scenic. Beautiful views. I think we're in West Virginia now. I've never been to West Virginia. Got a little crowd taking videos and stuff. Better stop playing, that's for sure. Tire's a little wet. Alright, we are in Antietam. Should be there any minute now. This place looks old. Because it is old.
Stop keying the mic, stop keying the mic.
Alright, check that out. Antietam National Battlefield. We have made it. We have arrived.
Come on, there's some parking right up there where you guys are. Pass us some lines. You don't have to park on the grass here if you don't want to.
I'm trying to figure out where everyone's at. So I'm sure we're far behind because we were just cruising. We're taking our time. Oh, look, there they are. They might be heading out to get a photo shoot somewhere. Oh yeah, here we are. We're there. There's all the cars lined up. I think we're all trying to line up over there. There's the Z01. I might park next to these guys. We'll see if they'll save me a spot. Hey, save me a spot! Yeah, I'm gonna try to park next to that Corvette. If there's room. We made it. The Vet survived the twisty roads that it's not meant for. But that was a fun drive. That was a lot of fun. We're gonna have to go on the next one next month. But we got the Vet. Super dirty now. Got the CTSV that we rode with pretty much the whole way. I like following this guy. We were cruising. Z01 Camaro, freaking badass. The Z06 and the C7R. We heard this one. This one was freaking loud. That's a nice car right there. That was fun, Dominic. That was a good time, man. Dominic's Gran Turismo.
Your GoPro is still going.
I got 2 batteries.
I got 2 too. Okay, I guess you stopping it.
Yeah.
You're using your hand. Okay.
Yeah, I use this.
Car, yeah. So I'm running my car, so I can't stop it.
Yeah. Well, that was a good time. Viper. See, he's got the top down too. Look at that, 505 out of 500. Another Maserati. Alright, you guys, this is where the bloodiest Civil War battle took place. We're walking on history right now. Huge field out here. The park ranger is super confused because like 25 cars just showed up out of nowhere. This place is beautiful. There's a monument right there. See, we're in history right now. Way down there. Alright, we got to get some gas. It's the end of the rally. 50 bucks of gas later. There's the badass Z01. Dude, that thing is sweet, man.
Yeah, you don't see many from here.
freaking nice. How much horsepower does that thing put out?
650, same as the Vette.
Jesus Christ, man. That's nice. You're gonna be at the next one, right?
Should be.
Hell yeah. There we go. We got the base C6. Filling up in gas at top off. C5 Z06.
Back, that whole half, I had this piece of split. The other half is gone. What was that? The last ride? Seriously? Yeah. I don't know how the hell it happened, but I know it's so good.
Driving home now. Got about a 2-hour-long drive on the MC Stradale. See you later, Dominic! That was a fun day. We put about 350 miles on the Corvette, and it's still only 3:30 in the afternoon. So that's a pretty good day driving right there. Thanks a lot for the Sunset Auto Club and Dominic for having the event, hosting it. It was very well organized. It was a lot of fun. A lot of sweet cars out there too. It's cars I have never honestly ever seen before, like that GTC Lusso Turbo and all that. I've never seen one of those. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you next time. I gotta go wash this dirty Corvette.